One more.
No! Baseball for this kid.
That was a good hit. Candy.
Oh my God. You're fat. I said I'm
Here you go.
Here we go. I can't blow that out. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nicole. Happy birthday to you. Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you Should I slide this way?
Go.
3, 2, 1.
Into the clamshell. You want me to do it or you?
Try it, Coco. Oh.
Go see if you can do it because you can
It's gonna explode.
They're tricky sometimes.
Bro, it's gonna go right on Nico.
You take it twirled around the pan.
You're gonna go on the cake.
Oh no!
Yeah, that one right there.
It's gonna explode the cake.
Yeah, nobody thought that
Spoil the
was
cake.
good one.
Right.
Can I taste it?
Well, I'm about to give you a piece, baby.
You want me to do it now or after?
Do it now.
After!
Is it gonna work?
No.
Oh, is it gonna...
Oh, no.
Should've pop it away.
I want to get it right.
Should've pop it.
Can I slide with her? Or not? Are you ready?
It's like you got the ball. If I'm ready?
Two,
I was born ready.
Guys, move! Guys, please. 3, 2, 1.
Put like this.
Dad, go down.
Focus. Put it in the water and pull it up. There you go. You got what?
Oh, my phone.
Just hold and let it go.
What's not working? Oh, wait. Oh, what's not working?
Put it down.
Okay.
Working on it.
Yeah, let me see real quick. I have no idea. I'm about to be twisting Narnia before you.
Jerry, can you shoot to us? I love it! Jerry, can you shoot to us? Jerry, can you shoot to us?
Just leave it alone. Go put it away, please.
Jerry, can you shoot to us? Imagine it just pops open.
Yeah.
I need the plates here. You take the photo. order?
We have
Go get roll call.
Wait, the burger?
jerk, chicken jerk.
You said
From 6 o'clock they cook.
for us adults, right?
Here are us adults, yes. Us adults.
You want to be next to her? Huh? You want to be next to her?
Yeah.
I'll have to record for you.
What
What am I doing over there?
I
No, you're supposed to wait. You're supposed to actually be blindfolded.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're-
you gotta wait.
And then you're supposed to like find
Grab
it.
that.
And then I have to wash it.
You have to spin around.
Yeah. If we're gonna do the blindfold and spin around thing, I don't know. Some people might have to go running. Is that a headband? Hey. You okay, mommy? Malani? Yes, baby. Oh boy. Back up from her so when she's okay, you're gonna put her in line with the thing.
8, 9.
I don't want her to spin and hit somebody.
Find it first. Find it.
Uh-oh.
You gotta hit it really hard.
Two more.
All your power. One more, Nana.
You got it. You can't lift your
You can't lift that off.
I seen that jet she made. Yeah. You go. She's
Who's gonna go first?
She's going. You have to
Yeah,
like,
just
no,
let her hit it. Just let her hit it.
hit it 3 times. What's this? Here, hit it like that.
Go, baby girl.
Okay, go hit it. 3 times, as hard as you can.
1, 2. Oh, you got it. 2.
3.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
candy out.
I was wrong.
You gotta put it on.
Malani, you want your turn? You gotta join the line, mommy. You can go.
How old are you?
You gotta join your line, mommy, behind your brother.
Spin? Yay, that makes I get instant.
Oh my God, I have to spin 13.
5,
He's falling down on 4.
8.
Womp womp.
Alright, wait.
Wait, how much food is my holding up?
Nika, he can't see.
Good enough. Close enough.
That could have been tragic.
Oh God.
1,
You got it.
Dude, look, man.
2.
Hey.
Who made this one?
It's gonna drop.
Bro, this thing indestructible.
It's made to be beat up a little bit before
I can see that.
stuff comes out of it.
Yeah.
Me. We're gonna go to it.
Yeah, we gotta go to the open.
Oh, so I do Oh, wait, I don't
Like
9 times.
birthday girl.
3, 4, 5,
Say hi.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Malani, go with your sister. Go with sister. Go with sister, mommy.
Mario.
My boy.
Swing. Swing. What?
Alright, you got one more. Alright.
You have
Hold on,
one
wait.
more?
Come on, boys. Back up 2 steps.
Thank you.
Back up.
I don't think she needs a bonus swing.
No, elbow.
Right there. Now hit it. Full power.
You dizzy from the spinning?
Yeah.
He was falling down at spin number 4 and he did 9.
Oh God, you
Well, I was supposed to get whacked. Hey, Kofi, you swing like a man. You better
That's a grown kid. That's a grown kid. Come on, wait, you got some strength.
Okay, see, I'll figure.
No, you want
Yeah, that's a hell of a swing.
10? You got 10. Jesus. You want to take that off?
You gotta wait your turn, mommy.
I feel like she's gonna.
Oh.
Let. She's gonna be like a bit faster, but even stronger. Wait, how old is she?
Okay, you left her.
Yes.
Let your little sister get a turn.
I had to spend 10 times.
Spin her 10 times. We're going to spin her. Don't give her the bat yet.
She say that.
3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it right?
Go get your turn, mommy.
Back up. 3 times.
Um,
Oh, come here, mommy.
Is that 4?
Mama, come here. 2, come here. Drop 3. No more.
that was the 3? All done?
Take it off. Go in the back of the line.
We're not getting to the candies.
Bro, that thing was
It's getting there.
Oh, that thing's built to
It's broke. If you look at the bottom, it's already open.
your turn next, Papa.
See it?
Oh, it is.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
See it?
Y'all got it. Y'all got it.
Yeah. A couple more and it'll be open. Oh gosh.
8, 9.
Here's your date, your
All
back.
right, step forward, 1 step.
Baseball bat. Right there. Hey, it's not.
1.
Go,
Hey, girl, hit 2. Hit 3. Hit 4. Oh.
You know, put her head in.
All right.
Go, Papa. Go, Kai.
Oh, Milani.
Oh, no.
You next,
Oh,
Papa.
Maya. Okay, this is definitely no.
Full strength it.
Well, right after hers.
Papa, you gotta wait.
I'm gonna break it open first try.
Kai. You gotta wait.
Oh, yeah, how old
After
is
her.
13.
No, you're 12.
I'm really about to be 13.
1,
2, 3.
You just took off like everybody.
7, 8, 9, 10,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Jesus. Oh, walk towards my voice. Walk towards my voice. Just keep walking. Keep walking.
Walk forward.
Keep walking.
What's
Got your sister. Alright, stop.
There we go.
Please let me move out of danger. Alright, wait, no, walk towards my voice. Walk towards my voice, keep walking, stop. You should move. Alright.
Now forward.
Move!
Go forward.
Hey, back up, guys.
Get more hits. Back up.
Back up, back up, back up, back up.
Get up.
A little bit more, back up.
Back up, back up. You don't want to get hurt. Oh, there you go.
No.
2.
Come on, you got it.
She did though.
Yo, she broke it open.
3.
Oh, there's 4.
Go, Papa.
There's some candy on the floor.
Go, Papa.
Almost got
Pop, it's your turn. 5.
Okay, so it's 5 down.
She wanted to get a turn. She wanted to hit the pinata.
Everybody back up a little bit. You don't need a blindfold. Alright, 3 times, okay? You
Milani.
gotta hit it. Alright, go.
Come, Milani.
2. Harder pop.
Go get Milani.
Good job.
Pass her, Milani.
Alright, watch out.
Does she have a blindfold on? No.
Too young, too young.
And 3. Okay, it's your turn now.
Alright.
It's your turn. You have to wait until all the candy comes out.
This bug?
It's my turn.
Hold on, it's her turn.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I know this noise.
Where did I put my candy?
Wait, who's up to 1. Go, mommy.
1,
Go now. 2. Good job.
That did 0. Okay. That did 0.
Come, Mommy.
All right, someone else's turn now, mommy.
I think it's my turn. Can someone hold
back
this?
in.
You gotta get out there, Mommy.
Nah, I trust him.
You missing everything to clean up?
It's fine. You gotta wait your turn.
Okay, back up, guys.
Alright, back up.
5. You back. No, I haven't.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
Spin him.
Back up. Y'all go down and back up. Go down, back up.
Who's trying?
Go
Back up, guys.
You knocked 2 candies out.
My turn. This is turn, that's Mario's, that's Mario's. You have to let all the candy melts out so that people still are feeling get some.
Oh. She did it this time.
Okay, so it's Mario's turn, that is my turn. Okay, come on.
Let me get some bags for you.
No, I was hoping.
Beat the thing up. Is it not all out? What's up, Mario?
There's a lot of big ones in there.
She went already twice. No, she.
Alright, so we gotta stop.
Papa, you gotta move.
Papa, move.
Wait, move.
Hi.
Okay, so can y'all back up? All y'all back up. We can't just go to the candy until everything drops down. Don't go to the candy until the whole thing is broken.
On your go.
Oh God.
Guys, back up, guys.
Yeah.
Back up.
That's one.
You got it.
Hit the bottom. That's one.
Try and hit the bottom of it.
3.
My turn now. Can I go now? It's my turn.
Yeah, it's not a snake. It's
Mario!
8.
She can barely stand.
Get out of her way. 3.
Oh, good job. Good job.
Back in line.
Bro, one hit and that thing's coming down. Not me! Not me! Doesn't want to go. I'm on a stick.
Alright, y'all gotta back up now. Back up.
Everybody who just hit, come over here. Who just hit?
Who hit twice?
Over here.
Who already hit?
Who already hit twice? Me. If you hit twice, go over there.
Bella, do you go? Bella, do you
No,
go
them
yet?
three didn't go. Wait, you hit twice. Right there. Come on, I'm gonna let you go.
But this is going to be your third time.
No, I ain't go twice. I'm gonna go once. I'll let y'all go before me. 1,
She said,
2.
forget the blood. Hey, watch your head. Watch your head.
Hey, don't hit your heads on the tree.
Give me that, Bella.
Hey, how about
Wait.
No, I'm talking about she was swinging while they were going.
Y'all all back up. Move.
Listen.
Okay, go.
Everybody who hits with their hand gets disqualified. Okay, then.
Back up.
Back up. Lisa, thank you.
One more. Ready?
Love the candy, kids. It's me.
Yeah, harder than you, bro.
Oh, you're Nick.
No, it's her and then her.
Listen, y'all don't stand in line, so nobody know who's next in line.
After her, it's her. Wait, it was behind her. It was Frankie and then.
I don't know how.
No. All the young, all the... Stop. You. Stand in this order. You.
Right there with
You, and it was you and
You.
then.
Back up a little bit more. Then she flings.
Guys, back up.
Y'all go down. She's back. No, she's going before you. You. Rain. Ivan.
Who wants the bat?
You. You know, I'm going last as the best I can.
Wait, I'm in front of you.
It doesn't matter, Ivan. I can put it in order. Come on.
I'm about to take the cat ears off.
I gotta whistle her.
You can put it back on that.
Sunbird.
You're already wet.
Where's your bag, baby? Go get your bag over there.
Okay, now
I got yours, sweetie.
Thank you.
All right.
Frankie, it's your turn.
Let's go.
No, it was her.
Little one's turn.
Let me hold you back.
Hi.
No, she's not. Here.
Who's that? Okay, get it.
All right,
Cozy, supervisor. Cozy. Cozy.
Go to the end.
Supervisor.
Come up. Swing.
You got it.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, no more. Okay. Hey, Frankie's turn.
There's still candy left in here. Oh my God.
Here, it's almost over half full.
Oh.
All right. Go.
No,
Go to the end of the line.
Frankie,
The birthday girl says she's getting tired, so y'all better open it.
Here, let me see the back.
She needs to use the bathroom.
Matt, she needs to use the bathroom.
Spin it. 1, 2,
Oh, my water.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Mario, back up.
Oh, she did.
Wait. Alright, you gotta go. That one.
There's still more.
Yeah, where's the blindfold? Oh,
Now you got some stuff.
9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop moving. Walk up 2 steps. Right there. Oh. Clean.
yeah, there you go, Mario.
1.
Wait, mommy, wait.
Come on, Mario.
Let's go.
Come on. One more.
Get it, Papa.
Alright, now it's your turn.
I get to make the rest of it.
Yeah,
Mommy not come outside. Yeah, 4 days ago in the backyard, right? She's not gonna come outside.
Everybody back up.
Come on, baby.
Just go.
You already come out here anyways.
Alright, go ahead.
Oh, wait.
There's the that's it.
Whoa.
Wait.
That's everything.
Wait.
No more swinging.
That's it. Everybody get in the water and cool down. Come on. Put your stop.
Wait.
Put your candy back to your backpack. And then go back to the water.
I put it all over there.
Thank you. I need you to be around.
That was a lot of candy. That was
How about that?
That's not what I meant. Wait, who wants pizza? Who wants tacos? Raise your hand for pizza. Who wants a pizza and me? I want pizza. Raise your hand then, Kai. Raise it up.
Raise your hand.
Who wants tacos? I want pizza.
Hold on, raise your hand for pizza again.
Everybody then.
Okay.
Where's pizza?
Only one person said that.
She wants pizza. I want pizza. You want pizza?
That's exactly what I believe.
Close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Good, bro. Put it up there.
Look at you, pretty girl.
Yum, 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 yum.
What pizza you want?
Pizza.
You want pizza?
I mean, I gotta use the bathroom.
43.
We're stuck. We're stuck. Wait, no, that was for the boy. Take that.
You want that? Or do you want a girl one?
Oh, yeah, I want one. Okay. Not outside, somewhere else. Just starting here.
Aw, look at the two Bellas hugging.
Aww.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes. Taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great. Popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh.